My name's John with Local Liftoff, and today we're going to talk about landing pages. Let's get to it.
Solidarity means standing together no matter our difference. What do we want? When do we want? Now! Shame on! You know, we build the big jobs, the big buildings.
So first of all, we'll probably want to define what a landing page is. And basically what it is when you send out an ad and you post it on social media, YouTube ads, Google, it's basically the web page that the ad leads to. And it can't just be your homepage, because your homepage is very distracting and there's all these different things that are on it. When you send non-union folks to that website, it may be a little bit distracting. Your landing page should be a clear reflection of the messaging that was in your advertisement. So if you are advertising about wages and higher wages, then your landing page should speak to that desire. One thing that you can do is you'll have a clear call to action. When someone lands on that landing page, it should be very easy for them to figure out what they need to do next. So you'll want to get rid of any clutter, anything that distracts them from doing the thing that you need them to do to join the union. You'll want to get rid of any links that are leading outside of the landing page. They should pretty much be trapped. Sounds messed up, but people tend to, when they have too many options, not know what to do. So don't give them any options. The only option they should have is to sign up, to become a member. You'll have one button placed throughout the landing page. You'll want to have a landing page that is clearly defined. The landing page will have elements of the IDA rule we talked about previously: attention, interest, desire, conviction, action, or IDCA, if that's how you say it. So for the attention part of the landing page, it should be clearly defined what the message you're trying to get across is. So if you're trying to get them to join and you're using wages as a carrot per se, like that's the carrot you're dangling in front of them, then you'll want to have that front and center on the page as soon as they get in. A clear, defined button with no distractions around it. Basically, you're not giving them any other options but to click the button. The reason why most people don't convert, per se, is when there's a web page that has way too many distractions, too many options, too many decisions, people don't know what to do when they get there. So get rid of all that. No navigation links, no other buttons, just the one thing that you need them to do, which is sign up. And odds are, they probably will. Your conversion rate and your probability of converting a non-union member into a union member goes significantly up because you have clear defined actions on your landing page. What I found out is that if you add a quiz onto that landing page, basically kind of taunting them to see if they're good enough, people want to know if they're good enough, so they'll take the quiz. The quiz could just be a series of random questions of how many years of experience do you have, get their name, email, and phone number, so you have that information. And then if they have any questions, you can give them a little option to ask some questions. And then that's it. At that point, you will have received the lead, which is the prospect, and you'll have their information to contact them and get them through the process. So because landing pages are very experimental and you never really know which one's going to do better, you just have to try a bunch of different things. When you have a clearly defined action on your landing page, your conversion rate increases significantly. If you don't have a clearly defined path, you'll probably have a 0% conversion or very close to it, because they don't know where to find the button that you're trying to get them to press. So just get rid of everything else. All the navigation links, no links that go to different places, just one button, and you can have it like multiple times throughout the page, but that same button goes to the same place. So you're giving them options to click one button in more places. So depending on where they are at on the page where they're scrolling through it, they'll still have that one button with that one action that you're trying to get them to take. What I recommend is that you set it up to where when they click the button for the quiz that you've set up, or whatever call to action you have it set up to take their information down and then automatically email, let's say, a representative of the local or someone in the local that can contact them and let them know what the next steps are. So here is an example of a landing page that we used at Local 146 that we had some pretty major success with, and feel free to copy it. You can check it out at local146.org. Feel free to steal any of the design I had put together, and I hope it works out for you. If you like this video about landing pages, specifically landing pages to recruit non-union members to become members, click the like button down below. Comment down below if you have any questions about landing pages. There's a lot more that I could go into, but for the sake of not taking up too much of your time, I'll make it short. I'll see you on the next one.